Hello, good morning student. Today we are going to start a new unit of class 11th, human physiology. The first chapter of human physiology is digestion and absorption. First, we know what is digestion. Digestion is a process of conversion of the complex food into the simplest form. We discussed digestion in very detail in our next video. First, we know the basics of our body and basic body design. This is mouth part. This is anterior opening mouth and this is anus. Inside our body a cavity is present, a cylinder like our body is like a hollow cylinder, and the cavity inside our body is known as coelomic cavity. Inside coelomic cavity, the organs are present. A muscular structure present inside our body this is known as diaphragm. Diaphragm. Outside the diaphragm, this is a muscular organ. Above the diaphragm, a cavity, chest cavity is present, which is known as thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity mainly consists of the inside the thoracic cavity, respiration or lungs, respiratory organs are present. Below the thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity, is present, and below the abdominal cavity, where the reproductive organs are present, this is known as pelvic cavity. It means our body is divided into mainly three cavities. The cavity present above the diaphragm is thoracic cavity, and below the diaphragm abdominal cavity is present, and below the abdominal cavity, pelvic cavity, where the reproductive organs are present, is known as pelvic cavity. Abdominal cavity mainly consists of stomach, intestine, mainly digestion is occur here, and this is pelvic cavity. The basic body design of our body is like that. Now we discuss about the alimentary canal. Now we are going to discuss about the alimentary canal. First, The alimentary canals start from the anterior opening of the mouth and it opens posteriorly to anus. The alimentary canals begins with the anterior opening of mouth and it opens posteriorly through anus. Now, all the our mouth leads to the oral cavity or the buccal cavity. This is known as buccal cavity or the oral cavity. Oral cavity or the buccal cavity has number of teeth and tongue, a muscular tongue. Majority of the mammals, including the human beings, there are two sets of the teeth. One is permanent and other is temporary. The arrangement of the tooth into sockets of the jaw bones are known as thecodont. We can say that thecodont, the arrangement of the teeth into the sockets of jaw bones are known as thecodont. In the many mammals, including the human beings, there are the two types of teeth. One is temporary, another is permanent. Temporary teeth, or we can say deciduous teeth. There are mainly two types of the teeth in human being. First is temporary and second is permanent or the adult teeth. This temporary teeth is replaced by the permanent teeth and this is known as milk teeth. In adults, the number of teeth is 32 and there are mainly four types of the teeth. First is incisor and second is canine, third is premolar and fourth is molar. This is the arrangement of the different types of the teeth in jaw on one side and the sockets on the other side. In our buccal cavity, there are two jaws, one is upper and another is lower jaw. Each jaw consists 16 teeth, one incisor and third pair, 1 and 2 are incisor, third is canine and 4, 5 pair are premolars and 3, 6, 7 and 8 are molars. And the formula of human teeth is is equal to 2, 1, 2, 3 divided by 2, 1, 2, 3. This is in the sequence of I, C, P, M and M. Incisor, canine, premolar and the molars. Total number of teeth is 32 and all the teeth are in two sets of jaw, one is upper and another is lower. I hope you understand easily. Thank you.